Okay, so let's start. Today we are going to learn write the capital letters in order from A to Z in cursive writing. ठीक है, आपको पता है कि हमने कर्सिव राइटिंग में A to Z फिनिश कर दिया है, ऑलरेडी सीख लिए हैं, तो हम आज ये वर्कशीट में करेंगे. ठीक है, सो first letter A, start from here, second blue line, go make curve, go up to touch the red line, joint, come back down on a second line, वापस go up, make curve and go up. This is letter A. ओके, योगी अपना स्पीकर ऑफ करो, म्यूट करो. तो दिस इज लेटर ए. ओके, ए फॉर एप्पल. हाँ बोलो. हेलो, यहाँ पे देखो, मेरे पास ए के रिलेटेड कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स है जो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. ए फॉर एप्पल, ए फॉर एरो, ए फॉर आंट, A for apricot, A for axe, A for alligator, A for aeroplane. ठीक है? Now we learn next letter B. अरमान एंड योगी, आप अपना स्पीकर म्यूट कर दो. नेक्स्ट लेटर है B. So how to write letter B? Start from the red line, make standing line, come back down on a second blue line, take little turn, go up to touch the red line and take a big curve, joint, again take a curve and take a turn inside. ये हुआ letter B. Okay, so look at here some objects of letter B. Look at here, letter B. B for boy. रियांश, स्पीकर ऑफ करके बातें करो. B for bat, B for balloon, B for bus, B for boat, B for ball, B for bag and B for bread. Okay, now next letter is C. So how to write letter C? Start from the first blue line, ऐसे और ऐसे. नेक्स्ट, स्पीकर ऑफ करो. Letter C. Okay, so now I show you some objects of letter C. C for car, C for cat. आपको आपकी नोटबुक में लिखना है बेटा. ठीक है, आप लोगों को अपनी अपनी नोटबुक्स में लिखना है। आपके पास इंग्लिश की 4 लाइन की नोटबुक है ना, उसमें लिखना है। C for cat, C for cow, C for carrot, C for cup, C for chair, C for cap, and C for cock. Next letter is letter D. So how to write letter D? Start from the red line, make standing line, make little knot, take a big curve and take a turn inside. This is letter D. ठीक है, D के ऑब्जेक्ट्स है D for dog, D for dolphin, D for drum, D for door, D for duck, and D for deer. Okay, next is letter E. How to write letter E? Start from the first blue line, go up to touch the red line, make a curve, join, again make a curve and take a turn little bit. This is letter E. Okay. Now I show you some objects of letter E. Look at here. E. E for eye. E for ears. E for elephant. E for eagle. E for egg. And E for engine. Okay. Now next is letter F. So how to write letter F? Start from here, touch the red line and again make a curve, touch the red line, come back down on a second blue line and go up like this. Letter F. Now I show you some objects of letter F. This is letter F. F for fox, F for frog, F for fish, F for feather, F for flower and F for fan. Now next, F के बाद which letter comes after F? G. Okay. So we have to start from second blue line, go up and like this and like this. This is letter G. Letter G. Let's show some objects of letter G. G for goat, G for grapes, G for gun, G for gift box, G for guitar, and G for giraffe. Okay? Now next letter is H. Start from the first blue line, go up to touch the red line, come back down on a second blue line and take little turn. Again make standing line, go up and do like this. This is letter H. H for house. H for honey. H for horse. H for hockey. H for hammer. H for hat. And H for helicopter. Okay. Next letter is I. So how to write letter I? Do like this and do like this. This is letter I. I for, look at here, letter I. I for iron. I for ice. Ice means baraf. I for insect. I for ink pot. I for ice cream. And I for igloo. Next is letter J. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करके ऐसे ऐसे और ऐसे, ये है लेटर जे. जे फॉर जग. जे फॉर जग. जीप. नक्स, बेटा आपको स्पीकर ऑफ रखो. J for jeep. J for joker. J for jam. J for jackfruit. J for jacket. J for jar. J for jug. Okay. Next is letter K. So make first slant line and touch the red line. Come back down on a second blue line and take little turn. Again start from the red line. Make slant line, joint. Again make slant line and take a curl little bit. This is letter K. Now I show you some objects of letter K. ठीक है? K for kiwi, K for kangaroo, K for key, K for kitten, K for king, K for kettle and K for kite. Okay? Now our next letter is L. So we have to start from first blue line, go up to touch the red line, take little turn, come back down on a second blue line, make knot and make curve. This is letter L. Okay? Now I show you some objects of letter L. L for lion, L for lamb, L for leaf, L for log, L for lotus and L for lemon. Okay. Now next letter is letter M. We have to start from second blue line. Take little turn. Go up to touch the red line. Come back down on a second blue line. Take little turn. Again go up to touch the red line. Joint. Come back down on a second blue line and take little turn. This is letter M. Now I show you objects of letter M. Look at here. Letter M. M for mango. M for monkey. M for moon. M for mobile. M for mouse. M for milk. M for mushroom. And M for mountain. Okay. Now next letter is letter N. Start from the red line. Make curve. Go up to touch the red line. Joint. Come back down on a second blue line. Take little turn. Go up to touch the red line and make a curve. This is letter N. N for nose. N for nest. Net. N for nest. N for nuts. N for nib. N for noodles. And N for newspaper. Okay. Next letter is O. तो मैंने आपको समझाया था बेटा कि O लेटर में हमें राउंड शेप नहीं करना है, हमें ओवल शेप करना है. ठीक है. Do like this. This is letter O. Okay. Let's see some objects of letter O. O for ox. O for owl. O for onion. O for octopus. O for orange. And O for ostrich. Okay. Now next is letter P. Start from the first red line. Make standing line. Take little turn. Go up to touch the red line. Okay. Then take a turn and take a turn inside. This is letter P. So let's see some objects of letter P. Letter P. P for parrot. P for panda. P for penguin. P for peace. P for pumpkin. P for pigeon. And P for peacock. Okay. Now next is letter Q. Again we have to make oval shape like this. Then do like this and like this. This is letter Q. Let's see some object of letter Q. Letter Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. Q for quail. Q for question mark. Q for quilt. Okay. Now next is letter R. Start from the red line. Do like this. Take little turn. Go up to touch the red line. Joint. Do like this and take little turn. This is letter R. Let's see some objects of letter R. R for rabbit. R for ring. R for rose. R for rope. R for rocket. And R for rat. ठीक है. Now next letter is S. Start from the second blue line. Go up to touch the red line. make little curve, then take a big curve and do like this. This is letter S. Okay. Now I show you some objects of letter S. S for ship, S for sheep, S for squirrel, S for shoes, S for strawberry and S for spoon. Okay. Now next letter is T. तो मैंने आपको समझाया है बेटा कि टी लेटर हमें ऐसे बीच में से स्टार्ट करना है, जो रेड लाइन को टच नहीं करना है, और ऐसे दिस इज लेटर टी. टी फॉर टाइगर, टी फॉर टॉय, टी फॉर tortoise, T for t-shirt, T for tap, water tap, and T for tomato. Next is letter U. Start from the first blue line, go up to touch the red line, come back down on a second blue line, go up to touch the red line, come back down on a same line and take little turn. This is letter U. Okay. Let's see some object of letter U. Letter U. U for uniform, U for umbrella, U for U for utensils, U for unicorn. Okay. Next is letter V. So start from here, go up to touch the red line, come back down on a second blue line, take little turn, go up to touch the red line, make knot and make a curve. This is letter V. Okay. Let's see some objects of letter V. V for van, V for violin, V for vest, V for vulture, V for vegetables, and V for vase. Okay. Next is W. Start from the first blue line, go up to touch the red line, come back down on a second blue line, take little turn, go up to touch the red line, come back down on a second blue line, take little turn, again go up to touch the red line, make knot and make a curve. This is letter W. W for watch, W for wallet, W for well, W for whistle, W for watermelon, and W for window. Okay. Now next letter is letter X. Start from here, go up to touch the red line and take a big curve and go up. Again, start from here, join the red line, take a big curve and go up. This is letter X. I show you some objects of letter X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas father, X for Xmas tree, and X for xylophone. Okay. Hello students, I wish you a good morning and today we are going to learn revision of capital alphabets in cursive writing letter A to Z. Okay? तो वेकेशन से पहले हमने हमारा पूरा अल्फाबेट्स A to Z फिनिश किया था जो हम आज रिवीजन करेंगे. So let's start. First of all, we have to write letter A. So we start from here, like second line, go up to the red line, join, come back down on the second blue line, go up, make curve, make knot, and again make curve. This is letter A. This is letter A. A for apple. A for apple. Second, which letter comes next after letter A? Which letter comes? Letter B. So we have to start from first red line, next steady line, come back down on the second line, take little turn, go up to touch the red line, make half circle, join करके again make half circle and take a turn inside. This is letter B. B for ball. B for ball. Students, मैंने आपको समझाया था कि लेटर B लिखने के टाइम पे हम फिर से जो हाफ सर्कल करते हैं और अंदर की तरफ ये जो टर्न लेते हैं वो और ये स्टैंडिंग लाइन दोनों के बीच में थोड़ी सी स्पेस होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, ये लेटर बी का जो हाफ सर्कल का टर्न है और स्टैंडिंग लाइन दोनों को ऐसे टच एक दूसरे से नहीं करना है. ये जो पोर्शन है वो खुला रखना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट विच लेटर कम्स आफ्टर बी? लेटर सी. वी हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन, go up to touch the red line, take little turn and take big curve. This is letter C. This is letter C. C for cat. C for cat. Next is which letter comes after C? Letter D. We have to start from red line, make steady line, then make knot, and then go up to touch the red line and do like this. Okay, this is letter D. Now next is which letter comes after D? Letter E. We have to start from first blue line, go up to touch the red line, make curve, then join, again make curve and take a turn inside. This is letter E. Okay, E for eyes. Next is which letter comes after E? Letter F. Now listen children, F हमें कैसे करना है? तो ऐसे यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है. रेड लाइन और फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन के बीच में आपको ऐसे कर्व करना है, लाइक दिस. ऐसे ज्वाइन करके वापस टच रेड लाइन, कम बैक डाउन ऑन द सेकंड ब्लू लाइन, take little turn and make curve. This is letter F. F for fan. Now look at here. ये जो मैंने किया है कर्व वो ऊपर रेड लाइन तो टच किया है. ओके, now which letter comes after F? Letter G. Okay, so start from here, second blue line, go up to touch the red line, take a turn, come back down on the second blue line, go up to touch the red
make crossing line and touch the red line, make standing line and take little turn. Then again make standing line, go up, make a curve and do like this. This is letter H. Okay. H for house. H for house. Next is letter I. Letter I. How to write letter I? Start from the first blue line और ऐसे रेड लाइन को टच करना है. फिर come back down second blue line and take a turn और ये जो पोर्शन है ऐसे ज्वाइन कर देना है. ये है हमारा लेटर I. I for ice cream. Okay. Next is which letter comes after I? I के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? लेटर J. तो ऐसा करके ऐसे ऐसे और ऐसे. ओके. तो ये हुआ लेटर J. Now J for jug. Which letter comes after letter J? J के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? लेटर K. So make first crossing line, then standing line and take little turn. फिर ऐसे crossing line, again ऐसे crossing line. ये हुआ लेटर K. K for kite. Okay. Now next is which letter comes after K? Letter L. Start from first blue line, go up to touch the red line, take little turn and come back down on the second blue line, make knot and make curve. This is letter L. And for lion. Then next, which letter comes after L? Letter N. So start from here, second blue line, make a curve, go up to touch the red line, come back down on the second blue line, take little turn, again go up to touch the red line, join, come back down on the second blue line and make a curve. This is letter M. M for monkey. Okay. Next is which letter comes after M? कौन सा लेटर आएगा M के बाद? Letter N. So same, we have to start from second blue line, make a curve, go up to touch the red line, come back down on the second blue line, take little turn, go up to touch the red line and make a curve little bit. This is letter N. N for nose. Next is which letter comes after N? कौन सा लेटर आएगा N के बाद? लेटर O. तो यहाँ पे आपको राउंड शेप नहीं करना है, ठीक है? We have to do oval shape. Like this. Start from here and do like this. Make a curve and go up. This is letter O. O for orange. Okay. Next is which letter comes after O? Letter P. Letter P. So how to write letter P? We have to start from red line, make standing line, take little turn, go up to touch the red line, make half circle and take a turn inside. This is letter P. Okay, this is letter P. P for parrot. Now next, which letter comes after P? P के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? Letter Q. So how to write letter Q? Again make oval shape. Do like this. Okay. Then do like this or ऐसे. This is letter Q. Q for queen. Okay. Q for queen. Next is, which letter comes after Q? Letter R. So how to write letter R? Start from the red line, like this, make curve, go up to touch the red line, make half circle, joint, up and do like this. This is letter R. अब यहाँ पे देखिए स्टूडेंट, आपको ये स्टैंडिंग लाइन नहीं करनी है. ओके, आपको कैसे करना है? लिटिल बिट ऐसे, थोड़ी सी ऐसे ऐसे लाइन करनी है, थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी ऐसे, फिर ऐसे करना है और ऐसे करना है. ओके, तो ये है लेटर आर. आर फॉर rabbit and R for rose. Now next is, which letter comes after R? Letter S. So we have to start from second blue line, go up to touch the red line, take little turn and take a big curve, go up to touch the first blue line and take a turn inside. This is letter S. S for sparrow. Okay. Next is, which letter comes after S? Which letter comes? Letter T. अब यहाँ पे देखिए, मैंने आपको बोला था कि F और T दोनों का कर्व सेम आएगा ऐसे. ओके, हमें ऐसे करना है. लेकिन टी में हमें क्या करना है? फर्स्ट रेड लाइन और फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन दोनों के बीच में ऐसे करना है. ओके, ये और ये रेड लाइन दोनों टच नहीं करनी है टी में, और एफ पे क्या करना है? टच करना है. ओके, ये दोनों लेटर में डिफरेंस है, ये हमें यहाँ पे टच नहीं करना है. फिर ऐसे और ऐसे. This is letter T. T for tiger. Next is, which letter comes after T? Which letter comes? U. U में क्या करना है? Start from the first blue line, go up to touch the red line, come back down on the second blue line, take little turn, go up to touch the red line, come back down on the second blue line and take a turn. This is letter U. Okay. Now next is, U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Now next is, which letter comes after U? Letter V. Okay. So make crossing line first, then come back down on the second blue line, take little turn, go up to touch the red line, make knot and make curve. This is letter V. V for van. Okay. Next is, which letter comes after V? V के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? blue line, go up to touch the red line, come back down on the second blue line, take little turn, go up to touch the red line, come back down on the same line, again take little turn, go up to touch the red line, make knot and make a curve. This is letter W. W for watch. W for watermelon. Okay. Next is letter. Which letter comes after W? Letter X. X हम कैसे लिखेंगे? यहाँ से start करेंगे. We have to start from first blue line. Go up to touch the red line and take a big curve. Then start from here. Touch the red line. यहाँ पे ऐसे टच करते हुए take a big curve. Okay? Right. Yes. This is letter X. Okay? X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. Okay? Next is which letter comes after X? Which letter comes? Y. Y कैसे करेंगे? Start from first blue line. Go up to touch the red line. Come back down on the second blue line. Take little turn. Go up to touch the red line. Come back down on the second red line. Take little turn and go up. This is letter Y. Y for yacht. Y for yellow color. And our last letter is letter Z. Now, what we have to do? So, start from here, like first blue line, go up to touch the red line, take a curve, okay? Then joint करके again take a big curve, take little curve and go up. This is letter Z. ठीक है? ये है letter Z. Now let's repeat again. Letter A for apple. Letter B for ball. Letter C for cat. Letter D for dog. Letter E for eyes. Letter F for fish. Letter G for goat. Letter H for house. Letter I for ice cream. Letter J for jet. Letter K for kite. Letter L for leg. Letter M for mango. Letter N for nose. Letter O for orange. Letter P for parrot. Letter Q for queen. Letter R for rose. Letter S for sun. Letter T for tiger. Letter U for umbrella. Letter B for one. Letter W for watermelon. Letter X for X-ray. Letter Y for yacht. Letter Z for zebra. Okay? A, B, C, D,